Looking to own a piece of land by the beach for business purposes? Then look no further, because beach heaven is exactly what you've been looking for. Now, why I love this estate is just because of the view. If you intend to build a park, a recreational center, an hotel, then this is it, because this estate is strictly for commercial purposes. So I won't expect you to hold on for too long, because it is going away for a price of 6.5 million naira. You can get it currently at 6 million naira promo price. So if I were you, I would not hesitate. Located at SOLU, ALADE, ELEKO area, this estate has the title of a freehold, and it has good road networks, internal fiber to home, CCTV camera, portable water supply, estate security, recreational centers, and it shares a neighborhood with Dangote Refinery, Lekki Seaport, Lekki Free Trade Zone, Amen Estate Phase 1, New Nigerian Airport. Several gated estates are around this area. So imagine owning your own beach resort. Imagine the crowds of people that will be flooding into your facilities just to have a good time. I would advise you, don't wait for long. Get this giveaway offer while offer lasts.